Check this out, everybody. Abstract Ocean multicolor footwell lights for Tesla Model 3 and Y. Buy through our channel at Vagabond Builds. Save yourself some money with the coupon code. Check this out. We got it set on yellow. We're going to go ahead and change the colors. Over to red. Red. And red. And now look at the super cool lighting. If we turn off the light to the camera, check that out. Super cool look on the Tesla Model 3. Let's go ahead and show you guys this tutorial video. Welcome back to our channel here at Vagabond Builds, and today we have an installation for you on a Model 3 Tesla, and it is also Model Y compatible, but it is from Abstract Ocean. It's a multicolor footwell light, and it's for the front and rear set. So we're going to be installing the front and under the rear seats, and we're going to be showing you guys a step-by-step tutorial of how to install these footwell lights. They are multicolor, but something right off the bat I want to mention is that if you guys want to save some money like everybody else does, if you buy anything, not just these footwell lights, but if you buy anything from Abstract Ocean using our coupon code here at Vagabond Builds, you will save a percentage on top of your buy, which also helps us out and supports. So that's what we really appreciate, and we're showing you guys this tutorial for. If you guys want to tap that like button, smash that subscribe button, and help us out and support us here at Vagabond Builds. Also, if you got something for us to film, here's our email below. Email us so we can talk details later. Now, let's go ahead and open this box and show you guys what exactly we get here. Let me grab that. So we have the rear footwell lights that are going to go under the front seats, and these are going to be stuck on with your double-side 3M tape strips that are right there. You also get a set of zip ties to secure that, your wiring and all that good stuff. You get a plastic panel remover and a remote for your multicolor settings on these footwell lights. And then these are the front door lights that we are going to be installing, and we're going to be showing you guys that here. So shout out to Abstract Ocean. Let's go ahead and start this tutorial video. So starting off this review, well, not review, I would say this step-by-step tutorial, and right here on the floor, we just want to show you guys a list of the lights and the plastic panel, the 3M double strip tape, your zip ties, your remote, and then the back side with the wiring. Now, I also added a flathead, a little panel pick, and then a Torque 20 Allen wrench. That's just for the screws that we're going to be taking off, and my own panel remover just in case I need an extra one. Okay, so what we're going to be doing right off the bat is we're going to be removing this under footwell panel here under the dashboard, and you have plastic clips right off the bat. We're going to be removing that light, and we're going to show you guys that. Let's go ahead and start doing it. All right, so we have them off. There's 4 total clips, okay? There's 1, 2, 3 on the right side, and then 1 on the left. And this is going to pop down from this side, from the side I'm showing you guys here. It's going to pop down, and then it's going to slide out, okay? And this is where it opens up to us the speaker and this lighting. And this is the lighting that we're going to be removing. And there's a little tongue there. And I'm going to press that tongue with my little pick. We're going to slide out that plug, and it shuts off that light. So that's the plug. We don't have to remove the speaker plug. And when we're going to press these little tabs on the right and the left of this light to slide that light out. All right, so now that the light is out, now remember, it's going to be kind of tough. These little plastic little grooves here are going to be a little bit tough to push and then to slide that. So you're going to be wrestling with that just a little bit. And we're going to make sure that you know which one's which, kind of keep them so you don't confuse yourself. So we're going to put this aside. And then we're going to grab one of the multicolor Abstract Ocean lights, and we're going to put it exactly the same way, and you're going to slide it up exactly the same way it came out. You'll hear a click. You're going to have to give it a kind of a stronger push, And then you're gonna plug it in, but we're not plugging it in with the original harness. We're going to be adding the adapter abstract ocean piece. All right, so we got it all set up, and we're going to be plugging in the abstract ocean plug. There you go. And as soon as we plug in that Y piece, you're going to get light to that footwell lamp. So now we got the plugs plugged in, lights on, and we're gonna work on putting this plastic panel on and tucking that wire under the plastic panels and moving this bar to the back of the front passenger seat. Now let's go ahead and do that. And as I'm putting on this plastic panel, one thing I want you guys to notice is that there's two tongues, one tongue on the left and one tongue on the right, that have to slide into these slots, okay? So take that into consideration. You might be battling or wrestling with it a little bit. It is kind of a pain to kind of get them to slide in, but let's go ahead and show you guys how to do that. Okay, plug that in, slide it, and then it's gonna clip in. Now don't force anything, because if you go ahead and force, you don't wanna break anything. Just make sure it's supposed to slide in very nice and easy and snug, okay? Now what we're doing here is we're going to move this carpet back. Right, and then we're gonna be sliding this wire next to this panel. You can take off the panels, I don't think you need to, but we're gonna be using a panel remover to kind of tuck away this wire under that panel. Let me go show you how to do this. So we started off with our finger, and then we're going to use this and kind of just force that panel up a little bit as we're putting that wire in. Now we got to the passenger seat, and this is where it's going to be tricky on a Model 3. So the Model Ys themselves, they do have the Velcro space here, which makes it a whole lot easier. But on the Model 3, you're going to lift that seat up completely. All right, and then we're going to move it up towards the front of the car. And we're going to slide this here. You don't want to bend it. We're going to slide it here kind of in this little pocket area. It's kind of hard to see, but little pocket area on the Model 3 under the railing and towards the back of the seat. Okay, so I'm going to use my left hand to kind of tuck it in as we're sliding it back. All right. We're going to pull it through. We're going to tuck that wire under the carpet so you don't see it, giving it of a clean job. Right? And then we're going to come over to the back and work on the back with the 3M tape and the zip ties to clean it up back there. So we actually decided to not run it on the bar, but we're gonna run it on the lower side of that chair. Okay, we just wanna make sure that it's not gonna get in the way. And we ran the 3M tape. We're gonna clean up that surface so you get a clean attachment. There's no oils or anything. All right, and it should actually stick really well because it's that very clean surface metal. All right, and we're going to just tape it on. All right, this thing is never coming off, honestly. This thing is never gonna come off. So what we're gonna do from here is we're going to clean up the wires with the zip ties. Make sure you keep the receiver safe. Tuck it in. We're going to tuck it in here in this pocket so you guys get a clean look. We're going to tie the wires up and tuck it away. Let's go ahead and do that. So now on the driver's side, we finished up the passenger seat and we cleaned up the wire. We attached it. There goes the look on it. Very clean, nice look. You can go through multiple colors and actually put it also on white as a stock color. We're going to go ahead and remove the driver under dash panel. And there's only 2 clips that you really need to take off. Now, because it's just the Model 3 2018, you have these 2 clips, and the Model Ys will have a torque 20 to remove these panels, but not the Model 3. We're going to just remove those 2 clips and pull this panel down. Let's go ahead and show you guys how to do that. 1 and 2, and then there's going to be a little clip that's going to slide in. You can push that little tongue in, it'll pop out, and then it opens up to us the light. So we're going to push down that tongue and remove that plug. Use my little pick. There you go. Then we're going to remove that light, and this is going to be a little bit tough to kind of wrestle with it. It's okay. There you go. And then we're going to go install these. Now the Abstract Ocean light is installed, and we're going to go ahead and hook up the Abstract Ocean harness. We're going to go around this wire and go ahead and plug these in. And then your lights turn on. So from there, we're going to run this wire, plastic panels, just like the other one, and under that rail, just exactly like the passenger side. I'm going to slip this lip in. And we have a flashlight. It's getting kind of dark, but we're slipping that lip in. We're going to tuck the wires in to get us a clean job, clean look. Okay, make sure everything clips in very nice and easy. All right, and then we're gonna start running that wire under those panels. So now we ran the wire on under the foot panel plastics. Okay, so we ran it here, we tucked it in, and we're gonna do the same exact thing that we did on the passenger side. We're gonna tuck it in under that railing. Remember, Model 3 has that kind of little space there where you can kind of tuck it in. And there's a little harness on the other side where you kind of have to clear right on top to make sure that the light goes over. And we're going to slide it through. Okay. Just like that. And then we're going to feed the line through with the receiver. Make sure that you're not pulling too hard so you don't want to break anything. What we're doing here is we're also going to be tucking this wire right under this Velcro carpet piece here so you don't run into this as maybe you're cleaning the car in the future or something. Just like that. Okay. Right, we're going to come over to the back. We're going to install it just like the passenger side. Perfect. It's not getting in the way. Nothing. We're going to go ahead and clean up this wire, tuck it into one another. Another advice I'm going to give you also is make sure your receiver, once you tuck it in under the chair, make sure your receiver is kind of just popping out so your remote is getting a clear signal for that color change and things. All right, wires are tucked in, and we're going to tuck it in right under this flap. Very nice, clean look. And so your receiver is sticking out just a tad bit to your wire. And now we're completely done. So finished product. This is the remote, and you got multiple colors along with white. You can go flash, strobe, fade, smooth. And let me show you guys how to change them. We got red on now, but let's go ahead and go to like a blue or a teal. There you go. Honestly, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, the fact that it is white interior with different color changes, super cool. So guys, pretty much done with this tutorial. Let us know what you think. Comments, questions, concerns in the comment section below. Thank you for watching our channel here at Vagabond Builds. Stay tuned. We have more promotions coming. And remember, save your money, buy through our channel with our coupon code in the description below. God bless you.